Which new Terry's chocolate orange ice cream would you choose? So firstly we have the tubs, and then we have the sticks. Now both of these really do taste like Terry's chocolate orange, and in my opinion Terry's chocolate orange is the best type of chocolate orange. These will be available in Iceland.
Use a stick of butter and grease your bundt cake pan all over. Add flour. Make sure you cover every mix to the pan. Now bake. Cake is ready. Rum for the win. Powdered sugar. Look at that. It's gonna be good. Cheers, guys.
Absolutely perfect for the Easter baking season. You can use whatever Easter chocolates you like, but I love mini eggs. To start this, add butter and white mini marshmallows to a pan and melt this until smooth like so. Once you've done this, add in your Rice Krispies and stir through. Yes, it will be hard. Add in your mini eggs, fold these through if you can, and then of course press into a lined 9-inch square tin. I find it much easier to grease a spatula to press this in. Pour over some melted white chocolate, top with some extra mini eggs, and then of course leave this to set in the fridge.
Super easy and delicious strawberry cheesecake danishes. Whisk cream cheese, icing sugar and vanilla until combined, then slice your strawberries as thinly as possible. Grab your ready roll puff pastry. You can make your own pastry if you prefer, but this is much easier, and I think store-bought pastry is great. Slice it into 8 rectangles, then score a border in the middle. Add your cream cheese mix and sliced strawberries, then brush with egg wash and sprinkle with sugar. Bake in the oven and let them cool. Mix together icing sugar and milk for the glaze, then drizzle it over the top. They're so crispy and